You know I'm back, like I never left. Another sprint, another step, another day, another breath. Been chasing dreams, but I never slept.
Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup look inspired by Oh My G. I'll have her Instagram linked down below if you guys want to go check out her Instagram, but I just really wanted to do this makeup look that you guys can hopefully see. So yeah, I'm just basically gonna try and recreate this look like as best as I can. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this look, then make sure you guys stay tuned, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys hit that notification bell right next to it as well, so you guys will be notified when I upload a new video. So, and oh yeah, give this video a big thumbs up for me as well if you guys enjoy or are enjoying my makeup tutorials. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so since there's a lot of color in this look, I figured I would do my eyes first. So, basically this tutorial, I'm just going to do like the eye look and the lips, and then I'm going to come back to you guys, like, I'm not going to do like my foundation or anything like that. If you guys want to see how I do my foundation, like I literally don't do the same foundation routine like every single time I do a makeup look. So yeah, I'm just going to do the eyes and then I'll come back and then show you how I'm going to do the lips. So, alright guys, so I'm just going to prime my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Gonna go in with this shade right here called Looking Glass, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid to set the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. So next I'm going to take the shade Hatter, which is the green one right here, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease, and basically I'm just going to build up the green color. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a more dense fluffy brush, well tapered, and then I'm going to, well, it's the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take the same color and I'm just going to keep building up the green shade. Alright guys, so on an angled shader brush, I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade called Enchanted, which is this foresty green down here, and I'm just going to apply this in the outer corner and slightly in the crease. And I'm taking this on my Royal and Langnickel angle shader brush. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, dog. When that's over, I press rewind, talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some. So to do the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and this one is in the shade Diamond Dust. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the glitter to dry, I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe and Jacqueline Hill palette, and I'm just going to take Abyss, which is the black shade in here, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit. And I'm going to take that on my Urban Decay. Oh, I have no idea. I think this is like the small blending brush. It looks just like this. It's pretty small. I want to say it's like really like precise too, so. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with my Wet n Wild fluffy crease brush. So I'm gonna go back in with the Urban Decay Hatter shade, and I'm just going to blend this in the crease so that way I don't lose the green coloring that I have. On top of the silver that I had put, we're going to go in with the Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette, and I'm going to take the green shade that is in here. So next we're going to apply lashes because she's not wearing any eyeliner in the picture. Alright, so the lashes that in the picture, like, they look pretty natural, so I'm going to go in with the Ardell Wispies.
Truth for some robbers, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys, they know it. Fast money, no slow. No one can control. Yeah, and I got this soda.
So I finally have the lashes on, so you guys can see. So yeah, I'm just going to finish my face, and I will be back with you guys to do the lips. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I finished part of my face, but we're just going to finish the eyes. I'm going to go back in with the Hatter shade and the Urban Decay palette, and I'm just going to apply that with my e.l.f. contour brush. It's a small brush, but it's perfect for like the under eye. So I'm going to go back in with the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm going to go back in with the Emerald shade, and then that's just going to be my inner corner highlight. And to apply that, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked Smoky brush, and I'm going to go in with this small pencil brush. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the same green shade, and that's just going to be my highlight all over my face. And then I'm going to take that on my Real Techniques sand brush. But yeah, if you guys do not own this palette, you guys need to get your hands on it. It's definitely worth it. Like, this palette is literally so, like, multi-purpose, like oriented, like it's just insane. So if you don't have it, you definitely need to get your hands on it. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in the shade Widow's Peak. It's just a black liquid lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply this as my base.
The Glock in my robbery, 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery, 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine, wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press, rewind, see that ass one more time.
Alright guys, so, oh, excuse me. So, to top this black lipstick off, I'm gonna go back in with the Hatter shade. Alright guys, so this is the final look and I'm so super excited and I think it looks so freaking cute and adorable. So yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!